All right, girl.
Hey, girl.
Let's have some Prosecco and let's get into it. Okay?
Yes, girl,
What
finally.
is going on? Tell me everything.
I need to tell you about this sex day that I had the other...
Prosecco or rosé?
Rosé all day.
I know. I like Prosecco more. Okay, so tell me what's happening.
So I met with this hot guy on Grindr, and he has this fetish that he wants to douche a guy.
Are you serious?
Well, I know, it's a bit weird, but you know, I need a cop.
Okay.
So I'm there in the shower, spread like a virus, and he starts shitting in the shower. Like, literally, shitting in the shower. I know! And I'm like, what the actual fuck is happening right now? Like, ew.
That is bullshit.
That is literal bullshit. Oh my god, so I'm sitting there not knowing what to do. Oh, cheers, girl.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay, go ahead.
I turn around and say, like, you want to douche me and you shit in my shower? Like, what the actual sick fuck are you? Like, I'm not into...
So what did you do?
Well, I still wanted to D, but I'm not into scat, so I told him to get the fuck out of my sight, because I don't need initial crap in my crappy life.
Yes, you did. Of course you did.
So there are apparently gays that turned on by shit.
That is awful.
That is the worst.
What the fuck is wrong with people?
I don't know, girl. I mean, I can always jerk myself off, right?
You are so right.
And there's no man that can satisfy me like myself.
I know.
And it doesn't smell like shit when I do it.
I know.
So I'm being a better person here, and I tell him, please go home and find someone else for this shitty game that you want to play.
You are such a good person.
Oh, thanks, girl.
You are so right. You're like always right all the time.
I mean, I am right.
So then what happens?
Well, he takes his phone, he opens Grindr, he starts texting with this guy and says, already found one.
Yeah.
Can you believe it?
Sounds typical.
Shit. And he goes to my flatmate's room.
Oh, of course. Of course he did.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
God. He's such an asshole.
I know, and he left me there to clean his shit in the shower.
What is wrong with him?
Oh my god, the gays are so
You are
fucking
so
messed
right.
up.
I know.
They're messed up.
It's like, what the fuck? What is wrong with him?
Well, I hear them talking and giggling and kissing, and while I'm there in the shower thinking what to do with this enormous pile of shit that is...
Sorry, your makeup looks really good today.
Oh, really?
It does.
Really?
It does. You look so pretty.
Thanks.
You always look so pretty.
Oh, come on.
I know.
No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
You do.
No.
People just don't tell you that enough because you're so smart. That's why they don't tell you that.
That's true.
But it's true.
Fucking rude.
I know. And those bitches, they're always so jealous of you.
Ugh, Jennifer and Karen.
Bitches.
Oh, me too. I hate them.
Totally jelly.
They're so jelly.
They're totes jelly
So,
all the time.
oh my god.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers, girl. Woo.
Okay, so then how did it finish? What did you decide?
Well, I decide to leave the shit in the shower for my flatmate to clean, because he's fucking the guy. He should be the one to clean it, right? And I tell him, move out by tomorrow.
Absolutely.
And after you clean the shower, right? Fuck him.
I totally get it. I totally get it. You did the right thing, okay? You know what? I'm really proud of you. Aww. You really have all your shit together.
Oh, girl.
And I'm sorry. It is so not your fault at all. When people are like that, when guys are like that, you need to just be like, fuck you, okay? I'm a strong, beautiful, powerful woman, and I'm gonna do what I want, I'm gonna say what I want, and I don't give a shit what you think about me, okay?
Preach the
That is so you. That is so you all the time.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, girl.
I am so proud of you. I love you so much.
Aww.
You know that, right?
I do.
You know that I love you.
I do.
Good, because I want you to know that. It's true. Ugh. God. We've been through so much, haven't we?
I know. All that shit.
I know, it's amazing. We are amazing.
We are, right?
I'm really proud of us. God, I love us.
Oh, me
Don't you
too.
Just love us?
Oh, I love us.
I know, me
love
too. Ugh, God. So what should we talk about now? You want to talk about cock?
Well, duh. I prefer the front side.
I know. I know. It's like we put up with so much for that cock. Ugh, God. Do you wish you were a lesbian sometime?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't. I love
you love cock too much, right?
Stop it. You're terrible. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
God.
Shit.
We should go for brunch.
Oh, sure.
Do you want to go for brunch
Oh my
later?
God, I miss our brunches.
Yeah, we should do that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go, actually. I have a couple things to do.
Okay,
but I just wanted to tell you, you are 100% right. And never doubt yourself, okay? Because you're beautiful and you're strong.
Okay.
And I love you, okay?
Thank you, girl.
All right.
I love you
talk to
too.
later, all right?
Okay.
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 Bye.
Bye.